In this video we are going to solve question number 3 for exercise 5a. Solve each of the following equations. Now you can see a different type of equation here. A square plus 9a equals to 0. We have to convert this equation as we have in question number 1. A square plus 9a equals to 0, the part A of question number 3. You can see we don't have two factors here. For applying zero product property, we have to have two factors. So we convert this equation like we have in question number 1. So by taking common, what we can take common here? A with power 1. When we have two different powers, a power 2 and a power 1, so always take smaller power as common. So we have taken a power 1 common. A square means we have 2a. When we take 1a common, we are left with 1a here. And when we take common a from 9a, we have left with 9 over here. So now it becomes like a question we have in question number 1. So by using zero product property, a equals to 0 or a plus 9 equals to 0. Here we have one value of a, that is 0. For finding other value, we are going to move this plus 9 on the other hand side. It will become minus 9. 0 minus 9 will equals to minus 9. So we have two values for a here. A equals to 0 or minus 9. Okay, moving on the C part, 5c square plus 25c equals to 0. We have to convert it into two factors. So we have to take common. Here we can take common c with power 1 and also 5. We can take common 5 also here. So 5c, by taking common 5c here, we are left with c power 1, because 5 is common, 5 is taken out and 1c is also taken out. So we have left with c power 1, and when we take 5 common from 25, we have to divide 25 with 5. So 5 5s are 25. C has taken out as common. So we have left with 5 over here. We have to equate both of them. 5c equals to 0 or c plus 5 equals to 0. Here we have to move this 5 on the other hand side. C equals to 0 divided by 5. 0 divided by anything will become 0. And for this value, we have to move plus 5 on the other hand side. It will become minus 5. 0 minus 5 is minus 5. So we have two values for C here. One is 0 or minus 5. Moving towards the E part, when we take this 3 and F both as common, what we have left with? We left with 1. Never write 0. When we take the whole thing as common, don't write 0 here. We always have to write 1. 3 common from 81 F square, what we have left with? We have left with 27. As 81 divided by 3 is 27. When we take 1 power of f common, we are left with 1f here equals to f2 means f power 2 means we have 2f here. When we take 1f common, we are left with 1f here. So we have to equate both of them. 3f equals to 0 or 1 minus 27f equals to 0. So for finding f here, f equals to 0 divided by 3 or f equals to 0. For finding f here, we have to move this 27f on the other hand side. Why I am moving this 27f? Because we want to make it positive. 1 equals to 27f. When we move this minus term on the other hand side, it will become positive. And now we have to move this 27 on the other hand side. 1 upon 27 equals to f. or f equals to 1 upon 27. So we have two answers for f here. F equals to 0 or 1 upon 27. You have to complete question number 3 with remaining parts.